Instant Crush or Bianco Latte, ano mas goods at ilang days eres? Okay, I got you. I'll answer first kung ilang days dapat eres. So actually, yung ginagawa ko usually is I rest it for like 1 week. 1 week maximum. 3 days minimum, then 1 week yung maximum. But lahat ng frogs ko, nire-rest ko most of them for like 1 week. So to answer your question, which HSI scent I would choose between Instant Crush or Bianco Latte is that hati yung aking choice for that. Bakit hati? Kasi personally, scent-wise, I would always pick Instant Crush over Bianco Latte. Pero dito, I would personally choose Bianco Latte and here's my reason for that. Bianco Latte kasi kahit saan ako magpunta, it projects and it gives smell to myself. Meaning, maamoy ko talaga yung self ko. Hindi ako nano-nose blind with my own perfume. Pero kung projection wise lang din naman, tsaka scent trail or sillage wise, I would personally going to pick Instant Crush ng HSI. Wala ko niyan, but my workmate has it, and guys, no comparing or I'm not hating other fragrances, but it is far better compare with other local frags ng Instant Crush within that kind of budget. As in, na-rest niya lang yun for like 1 day guys, 1 day, and spray niya pagkaaga or kinabukasan, then grabe mag-project sa amon faculty. And then yung kanyang sillage, bro, wala akong masabi. It's just grabe makasapaw yung scent niya sa iyong perfume. As in, grabe talaga. Pero yung downside niya is that hindi mo maaamoy yung self mo if you're using Instant Crush. I freaking swear for that. So if you like coffee scent, naamoy mo pa rin yung self mo, go with Bianco Latte. Decent din naman yung kanyang projection, sillage, tsaka performance. But if you're willing to go with a perfume na talagang maaamoy ka, talagang pagdaan mo, talagang amoy yung self mo, go with Instant Crush. No brainer. I'll pick Instant Crush if projection, sillage lang yung pag-uusapan. But for that, I would personally pick Bianco Latte. Kasi, personally, I would choose to smell myself over other smelling me. Kasi mas wala lang. That's my preference. Sorry, medyo mahaba yung video ko.